Hey, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix any bugs on Thread. It's pretty simple. First thing is you want to check your internet, because sometimes due to slow internet, the app doesn't works properly, so do that. If you have done that and it's still not working, even with a faster internet, the next thing you want to do is go inside App Store and check if there's any update available for Threads. So just search for Thread, and if it shows you open, just like in my case, that means it's up to date. But if it shows you update over here, instead of open, click on it to update it, and your problem should be fixed. And even after updating your threads, if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is go inside your setting, and from setting, go inside versus general, and on general, click on versus iPhone story. Scroll all the way down until you see the option called threads. Once you see it, click on Threads and then click on Offload app. Click on Offload. What that's going to do is that's going to clear Threads cache from your device. Now click on Reinstall app and your Threads will start to reinstall. Now you can open your Threads after it's reinstalled and it should fix your problem. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is delete your Threads app and reinstall Thread app again. If you do that, then all the setting of your Threads will be restored into the basic default setting and your problem should be fixed. These are the method you guys can follow to fix any bugs on Thread. If you guys have some more problems related to Threads, you can check out her channel for more videos related to Threads. I will see you guys in my next video and have a nice day.